Hello, I'm Justin Smith with the NX Product Marketing Team, and this is NX Tips and Tricks for how to set up an immersive collaborator meeting. I'll be hosting an immersive design review session with my coworker Sam Kwan on a card packaging machine. We'll start by opening Immersive Preferences to ensure that I have my preferences correctly set for this meeting. Under Device, I can set my platform of use. Since I have the Sony XR headset, I'll select Sony. I can also select if I would like to render in studio material or just object colors. If I were not hosting a meeting, I could also select between a mixed or immersive reality environment, but you can only have a virtual environment for meetings. I have live updates on, so if I were to make changes to the part, it would also appear in the virtual environment. For the 2506 release and prior releases, live updates are not available in immersive meetings. Once I'm happy with my changes, I can click OK and create an immersive meeting. I can change the name of the meeting here. Once I click OK, the meeting ID will be copied to my clipboard to share with any attendees, and I can select Start Meeting and upload the data. While the meeting loads in, I'll share this meeting ID with Sam. We will go to Sam's perspective, where he can select to join immersive meeting and copy in the meeting ID. Sam does not have a headset, so he'll be joining using Immersive Explorer Desktop. Once we have both joined the meeting, we'll be able to see each other's avatars in the virtual environment. After some discussion, we've decided to move the monitor forward, so I leave a note for future review. Since I am using a headset, I can make annotations. Sam is not able to do this, but he will be able to view them. I have a wide range of annotation tools at my disposal. I only show the use of sticky notes and the measurement tool here, but for more in-depth design review, I can also use tools like Section View, Drawing, which allows me to directly mark up parts, change the environments, and even move parts of the assembly by grabbing individual components. All of this can be viewed by other meeting attendees, and multiple meeting attendees with headsets can interact with these changes. Now that we've completed our meeting and made any additional annotations, we'll both exit the meeting and conclude the design review. I can now end the immersive meeting by selecting it in the Manage Immersive Meeting function. In this demonstration, we created an immersive collaboration meeting and performed a design review. I then left some annotations in the meeting regarding our design changes, and then we concluded the immersive meeting. Thank you.